Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
In today's video, we're going to talk about the 12 universal laws of the universe. But before you begin, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. You probably heard of the Law of Attraction, but did you know that there are 11 other laws that govern the way that the universe works, most commonly known as the 12 immutable laws of the universe? Each law beautifully coexists with the Law of Attraction to create a bigger picture. In the best-selling movie The Secret, we're led to believe that in order to receive everything we want in life, we must only want it and visualize it. That would be correct if that were the only universal law to exist. The 11 other laws will explain why in order to be a powerful manifester, you must get your booty off the couch and take inspired action. And if you still don't receive what you want, there's a universal law that reminds you to be patient. So here are the 12 universal laws that govern any manifestation. Number 1, the Law of Divine Oneness. Everyone and everything is connected in the world we live in. Every thought, word, or action of ours will take effect on others, as everything and everyone is connected to each other subconsciously. We should start the thinking about the good in others, and they will think about the good in you. Example, when we allow ourselves to become who we truly are, we discover our passions and want to provide happiness to others with our passions such as baking, singing, etc. Number 2, the Law of Energy or Vibration. Everything in the universe moves in a circular manner, not only in the physical world, but our thoughts and desires to move in a unique vibration frequency. Each thought and feeling has its own unique vibration pattern, and it will combine with those which possess identical vibration patterns. Our thoughts are connected to the rest of the universe. If you choose to have more good thoughts, more goodwill follows through. Example, everything in the world has a vibration. Good feelings such as love or positive attitude would create a higher vibration, whereas a negative attitude would produce a slower vibration. Number 3, the Law of Action. Each action would provide a different result, which is mostly based on thoughts, words, dreams, or emotions. We must select our action that solely supports our thoughts, words, dreams, or emotions. And the actions we selected must be supporting your thoughts and dreams, which will help you accomplish your goal. Example, avoiding a problem that never works. By taking small actions is sufficient to make the problem slowly but surely. The more discipline yourself to take action with bigger things in life, the small things will take care of themselves. Number 4, the Law of Correspondence. This law states that we are in control of our life. Every action we make will be reflected in our outer world to our inner world. Example, if your mind is concentrated on how unhappy you are, well, you'll continue to have negative energy, which will make you remain unhappy. Number 5, the Law of Cause and Effect. Nothing ever happens by chance. It is each of our actions that creates a reaction that is followed after. Example, every action will have a reaction. According to Newton's third law, for every action force, there will be an equal and opposite reaction force, physically, verbally, or mentally. Each statement made will be followed with a comment or a reply, thus a perfect example of action and reaction. Number 6, the Law of Compensation. Comes after the Law of Cause and Effect, where blessing has come into our lives through various forms, such as gifts, money, friendship, etc. Example, you get what you give, or in other words, karma. Whenever someone smiles, your mood instantly changes. Be generous and donate what you have, and those things will come back to you in various forms. Number 7, the Law of Attraction. This law introduces things, people, or events into our lives by our actions, thoughts, or emotions. All these thoughts are energies that we use to attract more energy. By producing positive energy, we will attract other positive energy. The law brings people with similar interests together. Example, people with similar interests, such as being a fan of a similar football club, would bring them closer, as there is a connection made. Number 8, the Law of Perpetual Transmutation of Energy. The universal law states that we possess the power to change the conditions of our lives. Higher vibration consumes and transforms lower ones. We're able to change the energies in our lives by understanding the universal laws. Number 9, the Law of Relativity. In order for us to develop, we have to go through a series of problems while remaining connected to our hearts. This law also teaches us to compare our problems with other people's problems. No matter how difficult the situation might be, there will always be someone else in the worst position. Example, we face many problems daily, thinking it can't be worse than the problems faced by the people of Africa. Number 10, the Law of Polarity. This law states that everything has an opposite. Change unwanted thought by thinking on the opposite pole. Example, if we have not gone through sadness, we would not know what happiness feels like. Number 11, the Law of Rhythm. All energy vibrates at a certain speed and rhythm. Everything has a cycle and stages of development. The only way to master each rhythm is by facing the negative part of each cycle. Example, even the best athletes will fall sooner or later. Instead of seeing yourself getting weaker, you should see it as a sign for you to rest your body. Facing the negative part of each cycle will allow you to master the rhythm. Number 12, the Law of Gender. According to the universal law, everything has its masculine, yang, and feminine, yin principles. Each individual should balance between the masculine and feminine energies to become a master. Example, everything contains both masculine and feminine elements. Masculine qualities are energy, logic, and intellect, whereas feminine qualities are love, patience, and gentleness. There must be a balance between both masculine and feminine. Without feminine, masculine would tend to act without restraint. And without masculinity, there will be a failure to do anything. Both feminine and masculine are dependent on each other. This concludes the breakdown of the 12 universal laws of the universe. As you can see, understanding the 12 laws shows us how to master life on all levels and gives us insights into what we can do to reach our goals. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up. See you next video. And until then, keep smiling.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.